Hi all, welcome to the second video tutorial of JavaScript Executor. So in the last session, we saw what is the use of JavaScript Executor and how can we perform click event and how can we highlight a particular web element using JavaScript Executor. So in this session, we are going to see how can we fetch browser title, how we can do browser refresh, and how we can generate alert using JavaScript Executor. So let me go to Eclipse. So if you see, this is our first WebDriver program where actually we are launching browser and we are invoking application under test and we are trying to fetch the browser title using getTitle method. So this is a very straightforward method. Okay, getTitle. So using this we can fetch the browser title, right? So if I run this, it will fetch the browser title. It's going to invoke Google application and it will fetch the browser title, which is Google, right? What if I want to do the same thing using JavaScript Executor? So all I have to do is I just have to create the reference variable of JavaScript Executor interface, right? This is equal to JavaScript Executor driver. And I have to do the typecasting as well. I have to import this JavaScript executor interface, which comes from org.openqa.selenium package, right? So after that, what I have to do is I just have to write like this: js.execute script, and here I can write return document dot title. Okay, return document dot title dot toString. Okay, and it is going to return one variable or variable of string type. So I will store it in a string variable. So I can write here actual title. Okay. So now I'll print it out. System.out.println browser title return by JavaScript. Okay. So I can write like this: actual title. So let's run the script and check. So it has started our Chrome browser, sorry, MS Edge browser, and yes, it has invoked application, and yes, we have got our browser title. Browser title returned by JS, that means JavaScript is Google. So now we will see how can we refresh the browser. Okay. So to refresh the browser, so we have one inbuilt method in Selenium. So I can write like this: driver dot navigate dot refresh. Okay. So this will do our job. So if you see, I can use this refresh method. Okay. So let me run this. Okay. So what I can do is I will write like this: system.out.println refreshing browser. After that, I will write here refreshed browser. Okay, refreshed browser, so that we will get to know that our browser has been refreshed successfully. See, again it is refreshing, right? Refreshing browser and refreshed browser. What if I want to take the help of JavaScript executor to refresh the browser? So I have already declared the reference variable of JavaScript executor interface, and I have already done the typecasting, right? So all I need to do is I just need to use this reference variable to call .execute script method, and here I just have to write history.go, and here you have to write 0. Okay, that's it. And I will write like this here, and again I will print the same statement, refreshing browser, and after refreshing I will print refreshed browser. So I can write like this: refreshing browser using JavaScript, refreshed browser using JavaScript. So this time let's run the script against Chrome. Okay, so again I will run the script. So our Chrome browser has started. So it has refreshed twice, right? So first time it has refreshed using the normal method, that is called as refresh, and second time it refreshed using JavaScript. Okay, so third thing is like, what if I want to generate some alert? Okay, so for example, after fetching the page title, okay, or after fetching page title, actually suppose or else like I can do like this. So after refreshing the browser using JavaScript, right? Suppose I want to generate one alert. Okay, browser has been refreshed successfully. Okay, so for that also I can write like this: js.execute script. Okay, so here you have to write alert. Okay, and you can write browser has been refreshed successfully. Okay, so basically it will generate one alert. Okay, so after that I will give some static wait so that you will be able to see, say 5 seconds. Okay, after that I need to handle this alert, right? And we know like how to handle an alert. We have already seen this before. So I have to create the reference variable of alert interface, and I need to switch to that particular alert. So this static wait will throw this interrupted exception. So I can write like this: alert I have to come down, and yes, so here I'll write handle alert. So I can write like this: alert is equal to driver dot switch to alert, and I need to dismiss it. Okay, so alert dot accept. Okay, because it appears with OK button, so we have to call accept method. Okay, and this alert interface needs to be inputted. Okay, so let me run the script. So our Chrome browser has started and we have navigated to Google application. Now it's refreshing. See, it has given the alert. Browser has been refreshed successfully. Okay, so it has to be like this, refreshed. Okay, let me again run the script. Okay, so we have got the alert. So this is how we can generate alert using JavaScript. So if you want to write something on your console, right? So that also you can do using JavaScript executor. So what I will do is I will copy the same statement, okay? And I will comment the above statement. And here I just have to write like this, console.log. Okay. So now I am taking the help of console to generate this alert. Okay. See, because why? Like for example, if I open DevTools, right? For example, if I open DevTools and this is our console, right? So if I write here alert, say hello world, and if I press enter, see one alert is appearing, right? And its text is hello world. So this we can do using JavaScript executor. So that is the reason I have written here console.log alert browser has been refreshed successfully. So to show this, what I will do is I will comment this line as well so that it will not close our application. So let me just run the script. So it is refreshing our browser and we have got our alert. Okay. So let me just show you. If I go to more tools, dev tools, and if I go to console, it should be there. Okay. It's fine. It is not there, but like we can write like this also to generate alert. Okay. So instead of writing alert, we can write console.log so that you can write something in the console. Okay. So we got to know like what all we can do using JavaScript executor, and in the next video tutorial I will show you like how can we do page scrolling using JavaScript executor. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching this.